Hello there guys, well the moment is here to drive the all new Kia Seltos 2023, the badass reborn. And the best part is a lot of English voice commands have been added. Let's try them. Sunroof kholo.
Opening the sunroof.
You can see how flawlessly it works. Sunroof band kar do.
Closing the sunroof.
Wow. So that is the level of accuracy the voice command has on offer. Shisha niche karo.
Opening the driver's window.
Shisha upar karo.
Closing the driver's window.
So a little bit of give and take, and you have to get used to the commands that they have programmed into the voice assistant. But anyway, what matters is the 1.5 liter TGDI Turbo Petrol, 160 PS, 253 Newton meters. I have the IMT with me. We don't have the DCT. Maybe on the way back I'll drive the DCT, but this is the weapon of choice that is going to set new standards. So let's get going. Wow, incredible, absolutely incredible. So the display of the camera is limited because you have so much of real estate, but still the view is not full. So that is something I was wishing for in my inline as well. It's a 10.25 inch display, mind you. Why not utilize the full display? So that is the thing as per my preference. So letting another car pass. Okay, again reverse. So we can't do it with a very narrow lane, can't do it in one go, but still for such a huge car, the length of the car has increased by 50 mm when compared to the first gen Seltos. That is something you need to understand. I love the beige interiors, or call it beige, it's almost like brown color and really adds on to the premium feel. I love the way the fonts are used for the speedo console as well. The fields on the other side look amazing. More than that, it's the weather that makes you want to drive like crazy. There are a little bit of rough patches here and there, but that's okay. It's a piece of cake for this one. So I think this one gets 17-inch wheels, whereas the GT line and the X line get 18-inch wheels. 17 inches are itself good enough to give you plush ride quality. They were also singing praises about the suspension damping settings being reworked to offer very good ride quality at the briefing. So that's what they said. And the sound, I got a glimpse of that yesterday itself. Bose sound system, 8 speakers, they've nailed it. You can't ask for anything more. And yes, everything else seems to be right on point. 6 airbags are standard right from the base variant. That talks about how much Kia wants to emphasize safety and how much they prioritize safety for their valuable customers. So let me just clear the confusion here. You're able to drive without the clutch. That is a major plus in the city where you can drive, provide for a hassle-free driving experience. Now let's floor the pedal. There you go. It holds the gear up to 6,000 RPM. We're just already doing 150. Let's clear the traffic and then we're gonna try and check the high-speed stability. It is rock solid for an SUV. Even while tackling corners, there's no to minimal body roll. The NVH levels are well controlled. They worked on that as well, is what they claim. Very good, very impressive ride quality for an SUV. Seats are nice and comfortable. Shall I turn on the ventilated seats? Yeah, there it is. can feel the cool breeze hitting your back. And large glass area, good all-round cabin visibility. The fourth gear, you have the gear suggests gear shift indicator, which suggests you to shift optimally to optimize fuel efficiency. You have other friends going ahead. Wow, it feels so satisfying. This is the Nexon up ahead. Nexon is the competitor for rival for the Sonnet. This is the highway. So let's see. Float the pedal here. Again, lot of rough patches. We're hitting 150 in an instant. That's the kind of acceleration this Turbo Petrol engine has on offer. It's incredible and it is thrilling, it's intense, it's everything an enthusiast wants it to be. Wow, what a feeling. Again, cornering at around 140-150 kilometers per hour. There's no body roll, a lot of planted feel. That talks about the way the suspension has been damped, because it's not too stiff to break your back, but at the same time we are hitting corners at around 130-140 and still it gives you that planted feel. That's actually talking about how well they've tuned the chassis and how well they've set up the suspension. The steering also weighs up adequately. Still doing around 140. Looking for a straight to just get a glimpse of the high-speed stability this thing is capable of. Long sweeping corners, bridges. Oh my God. This is an enthusiast delight. Bring it on, Kia. Bring it on. I mean, they're turning up the heat in this segment. I drove the same powertrain on the Alcazar just a couple of weeks back, or maybe last week. It was indeed super impressive. But now, this is just a 5-seater, so it is lighter. Gotta be careful, gotta be careful. These long trailers can be very deceiving, deceptively dangerous, especially at the corners. Boy, am I enjoying the sun kissing my face. It's been cool and breezy and raining since yesterday, and now the sun comes out and kisses your face. That is a feeling that you can live for. No need to die for. Do we have an open stretch here? I just gotta be a little watchful. Again, we are cruising effortlessly at 120. It's 150 plus and hitting the corner. Absolutely rock solid. So if only we can get a stretch, it's perfect. Otherwise we're going to turn around and head back. I gotta do a vlog in Telugu as well. We have ADAS demonstration as well, collision warning, collision avoidance, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. So this is not the ADAS variant for me to demonstrate that. Maybe on the way back I'll be riding the GTX line, so I'll be able to demonstrate that for you. But for now, let's just keep going and turn around at the next exit, such that there's enough time for me to finish the Telugu vlog as well. But for the kind of value this thing packs, I'm sure it is going to lead the way for another couple of years until a major overhaul comes around. So what do you guys think? Are you satisfied with the kind of feature loaded list or the feature loaded upgrade that the Seltos brings to the segment, or are you hoping for something else? Maybe the safety rating. Yeah, so earlier it had a safety rating of 3 stars, I believe, and they said that they have worked on the body structure as well. So safety rating for the new model is not yet out, so let's hope it gets better safety. But overall, the kind of safety features it has, 360-degree camera and all-round parking sensors, of course that's saved for the GTX line, and you have electronic stability program, vehicle stability management, you name it, this thing has it all, including 6 airbags. And man, the engine is the star of the show. It is so enjoyable, so lovable, and it comes with a 7-speed DCT option as well, and the mileage is around 17.9 kmpl. Not much of a difference between the manual or the IMT and the DCT, so that's pretty impressive for such a big car to deliver this kind of hair-raising performance, at the same time being pocket friendly, not to, you know, burn a hole through your pocket. Let's hope these guys give us room so that we can head back. I hope you enjoyed this quick fire run on one of the finest days to drive, and thanks to Kia India for inviting me over.